Bismillah. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel Official Ghetto. It's your boy Abdi Ahmed aka Chief Police, and today I want to cook for you Somali donut and beef cubes. So, and I have my recipes here. I have 2 cups of white flour. I have 2 eggs here. I have also cinnamon. I have also my salt. I have here my sugar. This is a half cup of cooking oil. I have here 1 cup of milk. And this is my baking powder. Also, I have my beef cubes. So let us start first cooking our beef cubes. Okay. I add a little water. Salt to taste. Okay. Let us continue mixing our Somali donut. I take my 2 cups of white flour. Okay. And take 4 sugar spoons. Then I add my cinnamon. Okay. Then I add salt. Also I add 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. So I mixed it. And then I add my 2 eggs. oil, and also I add my milk, then I start mixing it. Our dough is ready, so let us cover and wait 10 minutes. Let us add a little of our cinnamon. And oil. Okay, our beef cube is ready. 10 minutes is over. So let's start. Okay. Let us cut our dough. Let us cut it into 3. Okay. Okay, you see. So let us start cooking. So our Somali donut is ready, and I have served. You see, it's so soft. You see? Bismillah. This is the end of our video, and thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you can see whenever I upload my videos. Peace.